Good morning students, welcome back. Today I am making this video for standard 10 economics chapter 1. The name of the chapter is development. This video can be seen by visiting the website of our school www.valleypublicschool.org. Now, without wasting much time, let's come straight to the chapter. So, the name of the chapter you see, it is development. Now, development, as you already know, development is a very simple term. Development means what? Development can be of anything. Development of a person, development of a state, development of a district. So as this is economics, so we will study the development of our country and as well as the citizens of our country. Now the very first definition, this word is very familiar to you, I know. Now let's see this word. What is the definition of development? Development is a process which improves economic and social life of a nation, region and community. Now development, it is not only the development of a person, community, it is a total development of an entire nation. Now indirectly we can also say that a development of a person can make the development of a nation in the long run. Now, in order to do the development of a nation, the development of a person is very necessary. Now, in the course of development, we will see development of what? What type of development? Is it only financial development? Financial development or some other points of development? This we have to see. Now, as we already know, in a very small example I am giving you. Now, can a person be only satisfied with money? What do you think? I think no. The answer is no. A person cannot be satisfied with money. Beside money, the person needs many other things. Beside financial improvement, beside the development of a financial status, a person wants the development of social status. Financial plus social makes a person, brings development in a person. Now, what is the meaning of social development? Suppose a person has a good earning, but socially if we see, the person does not hold any social security. The person has no freedom. The person cannot enjoy his fundamental rights. In that point, we cannot say that the person is developed. And if a person will not be developed, the community cannot develop. If the community cannot develop, in the long run, a country cannot develop. So this is what the development means. Development, so what we can say, that development is not only for economic development, but development on various other fields. So this is what the development means. So economic as well as social life. That's why I mentioned over here social life. Now we see this, we have seen about the development. Now we will see the second thing, that is different people, different goals. So you will get a statement in this chapter. different people, different goal. What does it mean? Now, this particular statement is also related with development. This statement is also related with development. How it is related with development? Different people, different goals. Now, here it means that if the goal of one person may or may not be the goal of this another person, in many circumstances we can see that these goals can be conflicting. If I say in a very easy way, I can say what can be a development of one person can become the destruction for the other. So this is another one problem that we face in development. Now just focus on my thing, just focus on my words, what I am telling. The development of one person can become destruction for the others. Now what does it mean? Different people, different goal. Different goal means different goal or aspirations, anything we can say. Now, goal and aspirations of a person cannot match with one another. It differs, it varies. It varies with what? It varies with the nature of work or profession that a person is. For example, first person, in case 1, I take a farmer. Number 2, a student. Number 3, a businessman, etc. Now a farmer, what can be? Now if I will ask a farmer, according to you, what is development? How will you understand that you have achieved development? What the farmer will respond? If I will get better yield in the crops, in agriculture, if I will get a good output in agriculture, for me that is development. So for a farmer, agriculture, so betterment of agriculture is development. If agriculture will improve, if the quality of agriculture will improve, then only the farmer will be satisfied. If he gets a good price for his crops, then only a farmer will be satisfied. For him, that is development. In the same theory, if I will go and ask a student, will a student say the same thing? That for me, if the crops will grow, for me it is a development? No. In that case, I see the theory of development suddenly changes. Because for a student, what is development? Scoring good marks, better result, good marks, job, career. So if he will see a development in his marks, his job, his career, this is a dream of a student. For him, for a student, these are development. Now let's come to a businessman, a professional. Businessman or a professional. For a businessman or a professional, I cannot put these two theories on him. I cannot insert these two theories on him. Why? Because for him, the definition of development will be totally different. According to him, if he will make more profit, higher profits is equals to higher development. Higher profit, social respect, quality of life, all these will be development for the businessman. So these are the three things. So here I can say that you see the development theories are conflicting. The needs and development of these three people are conflicting with each other. That is why I have written this thing. Different people, different goals. Okay. Now we will see the national development. What is the meaning of national development? National income. National income. What is the meaning of national income? National income means when the income of all the individuals of a country, just focus what I am saying, national income, when income of all the individuals in a country will be calculated, will be taken into account altogether. The total income of all the citizens in a country means the national income. This national income, sometimes it is used to measure the development of a country. But this theory of ascertaining the development of a country is very traditional. Earlier economists used to use this data of the national income to measure the development standard of a country. But this theory of development nowadays are criticized by many modern economists. They don't agree with this. Now, before explaining this point, I should tell you what is per capita income. Per capita income, you see, to take out the per capita, there is a simple formula is there, that is total national income divided by total population of that particular country. Total national income divided by total population of that country will give the per capita income of the country. This is also another thing that was taken into consideration to measure the development standard of a country. That means higher the per capita income, higher is the development. Here also, higher the national income, higher is the development. So that was considered. Just focus on my word. Okay, but some criticisms arise on those theories. Some modern economists believe that these two theories, always does not reflect a true picture. Sometimes it gives a wrong picture of a country. Now, why it's so? Here is what I have written. Sometimes national income or per capita income alone cannot become the true factor of development for a country. Now, let's take the example of Sri Lanka. Now, I don't have to tell you that Sri Lanka is very small country. On the basis of population, on the basis of area, it is very small country in comparison to India. But on some economic factors, if we consider, we see that Sri Lanka's position, Bangladesh's position, Nepal's position, Bhutan's position, there are many other countries. They are much in a very good standard in comparison to India. Now, it will be hard to believe, but that is true. On many aspects, India is far behind these countries. Why? Because as if we have gone through this national income, but in this mode, we always don't get a true picture. So, these are the some points about the development as well as national development, per capita income. So, this is the part 1 of my video. A part 2 video I will make very soon. Till that time, goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you.